Farm in Walnutport, and during the summer they have truck and tractor pulls, and we're here August 1st. Last night was the truck pulls, and tonight got the tractor pull. This is the white stallion, and then we got the black stallion over there. They're both international 1066s. So if you don't know, a tractor pull, there's a sled, you hook up to a certain amount of weight. All the tractors weigh in at that same weight. They have different rules for power and turbo sizes, all that. It's whoever can get down the track the farthest, that person wins the pull.
Under 9,500 pounds, so that's good. We don't take no weight off, put no weight on. So now we just wait for the pull to start. So right now, Dale's gonna start this one. This one hasn't pulled in 3 years. Just got a motor rebuilt on it. So cold start on it right now.
My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes.
What do you think of this black one?
Oh, I haven't seen this thing pull pie since I was probably about yay hot. I haven't seen this thing pull pie since middle school. When I first got my shirt.
We got the whole full senior crew back on track right now. We got the little air in the tires, and then it's go time, but they got all these little pump putt tractors that junk. We like the big ones, so just gotta wait a little bit longer.
I charged my phone.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I didn't know it here.
I figured I'd fucking put a GPS on mine so he doesn't take a left turn this time. Straight down the track.
Go park. Tell them what happened last year when.
Why don't we just show him the video, dude?
What's up, guys? Ryan's hopping in right now. Fired up. He's up in 2 more tractors. See, it's nighttime. Been waiting all day for this. So, when I get the drone up in the air, we'll have the GoPro on Ryan. So, watch out. This is gonna be pretty dope.
Part 1.
Last year.
Yeah, last year.
So how far did you go here?
Well, think it was close. It had to be close to 300 feet. What was it? 320.
Oh, yeah, buddy's learning.
Second run was a lot better.
Buddy's learning here.
It's 10 feet.
Was it?
So Buddy just won 320 here. His dad's about to go, and then Ryan has one more pull for the night. He's feeling good. Tractor's a little high, if you can see. So he's done for the night. Ryan's I think gonna go one more time because he's killing it tonight. So we're gonna have one more pull, we're gonna load him up and head home. White Stallion looking mint.
You have to put in the video tractor pull fail.
Yeah, I know. Dude, I felt so, I was like taking the video and I was like,
I thought it was the wheel on the sled when I saw it because I was from here and the wheel like went up. I was like, oh, now the sled's broke. And then I look at the front end, I'm like, no, this is the tractor.
All right, Joe Kearney, 246.30, big white. Zach over 259.
Ryan had one more pull, but looks like the battery's dead on this. Don't think we're gonna go no more. So right now, we hooked the battery cables up to that thing, hooked them up to this thing. Ryan's up there and he's gonna try to start it. Let's see if this works. Taking the horsey for a little walk, Steve.
We got Lucas over here who thinks he's everything. What do you think, Mark?
I think they're doing exactly how I said I wanted it to be done the first time. Oh, we got him at Roy Rage phase right here.
Back up a little bit. All right, throw your bucket.
Stuff around here. It actually gets done and not fucking cheap. Yo, he sat around all night. He came in clutch. do this for a living.
You don't know how to run a quick dog.
Alright guys, we got them loaded up, as you can see. White one, got 2 firsts and a second with that. Had a good night. Buddy over here, not so hot. Get her fixed up and ready for the next one. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out our Full Send Dyno Day and Truck Show, October 24th. See you there.